Welcome to Grow with Santosh channel.
All right, let's get right into it. I'm going to show you the 3 AI background removal tools that you have got to have on your radar for 2026. So, are you just sick and tired of trying to cut out images? Spending forever tracing around things, especially when you get to the hair? Ugh, it's the worst, right? We have all been there. Well, guess what? In 2026, those days are completely gone. I'm talking about getting a perfect cutout in like 5 seconds. Seriously, it's that fast. So here are the 3 tools you need to know about to make it happen. Okay, first on the list is the one that kind of started it all. Remove BG. This is the OG, the one-click standard. It's absolutely fantastic for portraits and profile pictures, and its killer feature, man, it nails those super tricky hair edges. The flyaway hairs, perfect every single time. Yeah, think of this one as your specialist. It has one job, and it does that one job incredibly well. All right, tool number 2 is for when you need to do more than just remove a background. Let's talk about Canva. Now, this one is a game changer for social media and content creators, because the best part isn't just the cutout, it's that you can take that cutout and immediately throw it into a design. It's all right there. So yeah, Canva is more than a tool. It's the whole ecosystem. It's the all-in-one designer. And last but definitely not least, we have the one that's really changing the game in 2026. This is Wave Speed AI. So what makes this one so special? It's all about being fast, free, and totally private. You don't have to sign up for anything, and get this, no watermarks. None. This is the disruptor. It's giving you top-tier results without costing a dime. Okay, so let's put them side by side, the final showdown at a glance. When it comes to ease of use, both Remove.bg and WaveSpeed are just ridiculously simple. For edge quality, they're both excellent, with Canva being great too. But if you need design tools, Canva is the clear winner there. And price? Well, you just can't beat free, so WaveSpeed AI takes the crown. So the big question is, which one is right for you and your workflow? Are you going to go with the specialist, the ecosystem, or the disruptor? Drop a comment and let me know which one you're picking.